Thank you, Alexis. Stacey Carmichael now tells us that the debate on snail mail versus email is back on the front burner as regional and international postal officials gathered here in Georgetown for an e-commerce workshop. The hot-button topic was needed for a technologically advanced postage system.
Round 2 of the Operational Readiness for E-commerce workshop began today. Minister of Public Telecommunications Catherine Hughes underscored the importance of having a postal system that matches the technological advances taking place worldwide.
Minister Hughes called for a transformation of the existing business model, changing the way postal services are delivered.
The foundation of this transformation is, as each of you knows even better than I do, is e-commerce. This and this alone will determine our survival rate, so to speak, given today's seemingly insurmountable costs, infrastructure upkeep, equipment, staff, and many, many more that I know each of you, as leaders of the post offices in your countries, are intimately aware of.
The transformation, the Public Telecommunications Minister said, is achievable if change is embraced, plans put in place and staff re-educated to accommodate the change. Deputy Commissioner General Guyana Revenue Authority Hema Khan said the authority is taking the necessary steps to ensure an efficient service.
We are going to be launching the electronic single administrative document in August of this year. This is the pilot, and then we will be implementing module by module later in this year. So I find that this workshop comes at an opportune time to ensure that we get our requirements right for the implementation of the EDS interface. As a region, we should be able to learn from the experiences of our counterparts.
The workshop lasts 5 days. Participants include representatives of the World Customs Organization, Universal Postal Union, and the Caribbean Postal Union, among others.
With videographer Anil Silal, Stacey Carmichael for InfoHub.